Hello and welcome back to the MATLAB programming course. In the previous session, we learned about the MATLAB environment where we learned about current folder, command window and workspace variables. In this session, we will be learning a little more about workspace variables. So we enter commands here in the workspace. But what happens when we close MATLAB? Do our commands or the workspace variables that we created are retained by MATLAB or are they lost? So the answer is when we close MATLAB, all our commands and the variables are lost. There is no way to access our workspace variables once we close and reopen MATLAB. But I wanted to save those variables because I did some computations that I wanted to use later. I wanted these variables to be used in another program. So how will I do so? In order to save my workspace variables and make sure that they are not lost when we close MATLAB, what I will do is I'll save those in a file. In order to save the workspace variables, what I'll do is right click on my workspace and click save. So it will open my the current folder path of the current folder, and it will ask me to type the name of the file in which I want to save those workspace variables. For now, let's say I want to save those as workspace 1, and the file type will be mat. It is .mat format, and I'll say save. Now it has created a workspace file, workspace1.mat file, and all these variables are stored in it. Now let's open my file. Okay. So in order to open it, what I have to do is just double click on my file. So when I double clicked, it showed me the details of the file here. It says workspace1.mat has the variables with the name these and the value this. But I already had these variables in the my workspace, and then I opened it. How will I know if these are loaded or not? So in order to do, oh, you can see here, when I double clicked on my workspace1.mat file, a command ran in the command window saying load workspace1.mat. Okay, so if I don't want to double click on my file in order to run it, what else I can do is I can write the command load and start the brackets and write the name of the file in single quotes and press enter. Now what we are going to do is we will first clear our command window and the workspace variables and load the variables and see if we can load the variables from our file that we have saved earlier. So in order to clear our command window, what we will write is CLC, which stands for clear. CL is for clear and C is for command window. Enter. So now our command window is cleared, but workspace variables are still there. In order to clear our workspace variables, we will write the command clear and press enter. Now we have a command left in the command window, clear. So what we will do again is press CLC. This is showing the details of my current file that I have clicked on, that is selected. If I select another file, then those details will go away. So my workspace is clear now and my command window is also clear. Now I want to load uh, the variables that I have saved from my workspace earlier into my current workspace. So what will I will do is I'll double click directly and it will run this command load workspace one dot variables, and here we can see that all the variables are loaded back into the workspace. Are these all the variables that we created earlier? Oh yes, these are the ones. So why do I need them? I have these variables and now I want to perform the computation, suppose a plus b, and press enter. Then in this case, I don't need to enter the value of A and B because it is already loaded in my workspace. Now, you might ask the question, why do we want these variables? These are just some numbers and we might not need them. But we will see why we have saved them right now and how we will use them later when we go to some programs, when we will work on some programs. Then we will get to know where we can use them. So, this was pretty much about it for workspace variables. See you again in the next session. Till then, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends as much as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.